Want to unlock powerful insights from your time-based data in Qlik Sense? I'm going to teach you how to create a set analysis for year and month in Qlik Sense. First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet where you want to perform the analysis. Enter Edit mode by clicking the pencil icon. Select the chart you want to modify. In this case, we will use a bar chart that shows sales by month. Open the Chart Properties panel and locate the expression you want to modify in the expression editor, and close your existing expression in Sum. Then, insert your set analysis expression inside curly brackets, for example, to analyze sales in January 2023. Insert set analysis expression like this: year equals 2023, month equals January. Now, let's add multiple years and months to include multiple years and months. Separate them with commas within the curly brackets, for example, year equals 2022, 2023, month equals January, February. This expression will calculate sales for January and February in both 2022 and 2023. For dynamic analysis, use $ expansion. For instance, to analyze sales for the latest year and month, use this expression less than year equals $, equals max year, month equals $, equals max month. And that's how you create set analysis for year and month in Qlik Sense. Experiment with different combinations and functions to unlock even deeper insights from your data. Don't forget to subscribe for more Qlik Sense tutorials.